Problem 2. The volume of a solid is given by this. At the time when the radius is 3 centimeters, the volume is 81 pi centimeter cubed. The radius is changing at a rate of 2 centimeters per minute, and the volume is changing at a rate of 204 pi centimeters cubed per minute. Find the rate of change of the height at this time. According to the given information, we know R equals 3, V equals 81 pi, dr by dt equals 2 centimeters per minute, dV by dt equals 204 pi centimeter cubed per minute. We are looking for dH by dt. We will take a derivative with respect to t. dV by dt equals 4 over 3 pi times power rule 2r times dr by dt plus, we need to do product rule for pi r squared h when we take a derivative of h. Pi r squared times h prime equals pi r squared prime h plus pi r squared times h prime equals 2 pi r times dr by dt times h plus pi r squared times dh by dt plus 2 pi rh dr by dt, then plus pi r squared dh by dt. Check the variables. This is given, this given, but h we don't know. We need to figure out h. This is given, this given. We are looking for dH by dt. We need to figure out h first by using this equation. V is 81 pi equals 4 over 3 pi, r is 3 squared plus pi times 3 squared times h. 81 pi equals 3 squared is 9. 9 times 4 over 3 is 12 pi plus 9 pi times h. 69 pi equals 9 pi h divided by 9 pi both sides. So h equals 23 over 3. Simplify this equation. dV by dt equals 8 over 3 pi r dr by dt plus 2 pi rh dr by dt plus pi r squared times dh by dt. Then we will do the substitution. dV by dt 2/4 pi equals 8/3 pi times 3. dr by dt is 2. Then plus 2 pi times 3. H is 23/3. Then times 2 plus pi times 3 squared times dH by dt. Simplify. 2/4 pi equals reduce 16 pi plus reduce 23 times 4 pi 92 pi plus 9 pi dH by dt. We need to isolate dH by dt. 2/4 pi minus 16 pi minus 92 pi. 96 pi equals 9 pi times dH by dt. Divided by 9 pi, both sides. Reduce 3, 32. dH by dt equals 32/3 centimeter per minute. Problem 3. The following diagram shows an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals 10 centimeters and AC equals BC. The vertex C is moving in a direction perpendicular to AB with a speed 2 centimeters per second. Calculate the rate of increase of the angle CAB at the moment the triangle is equilateral. AB is always 10. Let's label this is D. So AD always 5. Assume CD equals X. AC equals Y. Angle CAB equals theta. We know AD equals 5 dx by dt equals 2 centimeters per second. When triangle ABC is equilateral, we know theta equals pi over 3. AD equals 5. We will use SOHCAHTOA to figure out CD when the triangle is equilateral. Tangent theta equals x over 5. Then x equals 5 times tangent theta equals 5 times tangent pi over 3 will be square root of 3. We need to figure out d theta by dt. Since dx by dt is given, we need to find the relationship between x and theta. That is tangent theta equals x over 5. So 5 tangent theta equals x. Take a derivative with respect to t, both sides. 5 times secant squared theta d theta by dt equals dx by dt. Since secant squared theta equals 1 over cosine squared theta, and a cosine pi over 3 equals 1 over 2, Therefore, for secant square pi over 3 equals 1 over 1/2 square is 1 over 4 equals 4. So we get 5 times 4 d theta by dt equals dx by dt is given, that is 2. d theta by dt equals 2 over 20 equals 1 over 10 centimeter per minute. We figure out this x equals 5 square root of 3, but it's not useful when we figure out d theta by dt. So while you work on this kind of problem, directly work on this derivative with respect to t, then check it's necessary for you to figure out the variable. And also remember, the angle must be in radian while you do the problem of derivative of trigonometry.